It's a rainy day. It's not rained yet though, but it's getting ready to. Look, guys, out there fishing in the rain.
Well, yeah, it's the first day it's not freezing. Why not?
You weren't freezing in the past couple days. We ate like little piggies. I'm always playing with my hair in my videos. We ate like little piggies, literally little piggies. And now we're gonna stop at Dollar General. I think there's Dollar General up there where Target. No, there's Dollar Tree up there where Target is. So you need to turn up here where Target is. And then we're gonna head home and have a lazy evening.
Lazy because she can't move from eating so much.
I did. We had nachos and pulled pork nachos.
Yeah, you have pictures of everything.
I have pictures of everything, so we're gonna play that right now.
Immediate, you don't have to stop for a school bus, right?
Oh, look at that plane.
Oh. Hey, it's an F-16. I think. No, that's not an F-16. My favorite plane is the F-14 Tomcat.
Ooh. Backyard barbecue. You see it?
I see.
That's where we's going. Ow! Are they open? Yeah, they're open. I mean, it's over there.
I don't know why I'm pulling over to the rocks.
Oh, you can park over there. Pretty safer to get out.
Yeah, but you're gonna be the only people here.
Probably. We cook your food for you, so. Hey.
I'll be there for you, calling me when you're lonely, dancing on the roof. It feels like rendezvous. You know what to do. Keep your love for me only. I get high on you, yeah, you. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time. Don't you know I'm time. Don't you know I'm time. It's all time. Don't you know I'm time.
These do look good. Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
Don't you know I'm time. It's all time. I'll be there for you, calling me when you're lonely, dancing on the roof. It feels like rendezvous. You know what to do. Keep your love for me only. I get high on you, yeah, you. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all.
Look at those pies. They don't even look real. Look up here at the top. Does it?
I think it's that bread food.
That's really good. Thank you, baby. I think we had enough to eat. Here, get me.
What?
Angle it. Right there. Sorry.
Get you some.
All time. Don't you know I'm done.
Thank you, baby. How many times have you heard that in your life?
Never.
I ate so much my bones are full.
It's a weekday.
Don't you know I'm done. for me only. I get high on you, yeah, you. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time.
Glenn picked these little jars up at Dollar General, and we're going to fill them up with water and put some more of the beads in there. And as you've seen, that's how those turned out, and we're going to see how these turn out. That's all there is to it. And they're going to grow, right?
Yep.
Okay. One's done.
It's bright. Okay.
Then we got 2 liters. He's going to...
For my balls. Oh, shit. Saw it coming.
That was floating in the water.
The way they look when they hit the water.
Alright. Is that all in that jar? And that's all those are. No big deal, don't worry about it. I'll find it.
There's just one. Found you.
Stay in your hands.
It did, didn't it? Oh well.
Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time. Don't kill my vibe. It feels like don't kill my vibe.
It's die, babe.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, it is. Make sure you follow my social media. Mwah.